ProCLEAN Wash is the complete kit for cleaning air conditioning units of any size, consisting of specific equipment and chemicals. Easy Green is the broad-spectrum cleaner for light dirt on plastics and batteries of internal units. Does not require rinsing. Easy Blue is the detergent designed for cleaning external units. It has a limited impact on the environment since it is an eco-label product. For the most stubborn dirt on plastic or metal components, the solution is Easy Pink, the quickly activated degreaser. Always requires rinsing. Easy Sept is the disinfectant included in ProCLEAN Wash to disinfect batteries, plastics or ducts. A becker for diluting disinfectant products such as Easy Sept is also included. The heart of ProCLEAN Wash is the Stormy pressure washer, equipped with 2 selectable output pressures and the hoses and accessories necessary to guarantee 360-degree cleaning of the air conditioning units. A tank for suction of clean water by Stormy is also included. To assemble the pressure washer, proceed by hooking the high-pressure hose, red, on the outside, and the suction hose, white-green, on the inside, inserting them until you hear the quick coupling click. Then place the strainer in the previously filled clean water tank. The assembly of the dispensing gun can be carried out in 2 different ways. For large spaces and outdoor units, install the straight extension first, and then the angled nozzle. While to operate in smaller spaces, it will be sufficient to mount the angled nozzle directly on the gun. You can now connect the gun to the high-pressure hose, red, taking care to hear the click of the quick coupling. Once the Stormy has been powered, proceed to select the output pressure. High is suggested for the external unit and low for the internal unit, and adjust the nozzle output by acting on the ring nut. ProCLEAN Wash also includes 2 rolls of Defendo, the pure cellulose absorbent paper with disinfectant power given by silver ions, useful in different phases of cleaning the systems. Inside the practical and resistant bag, there are also 2 protective sheets, useful for the washing phases with Stormy, one for the internal drawer units and one for the wall splits. To clean the internal cassette unit, first remove the filters, which will need to be thoroughly cleaned before reinstalling. Then prepare the cassette unit protection sheet by following the operations shown in the images. Open the sheet. Extend the arm joints. And rotate the hinges on the 2 opposite sides to lock the joints. Once the protective sheet has been mounted, proceed with the installation, hanging 2 of the 4 hooks on the air conditioner. Finish assembling the other 2 hooks on the opposite side. To facilitate washing operations, it may be useful to fix the sheet with a slight inclination towards the operator. Then connect the supplied drain hose to the fitting in the center of the sheet and place the other end on a container for dirty water. From now on, it is recommended to wear protective gloves when using chemical products. Then assemble the Stormy pressure washer. Assemble the high-pressure tube, then the lance, then the suction tube. Finally, insert the strainer into the clean water tank. Power up the pressure washer and select the desired pressure. Low pressure is recommended. For the first cleaning phases, apply Easy Green detergent both on the internal plastics and on the battery. Then proceed to rinse with the high-pressure washer. To facilitate the drainage of wastewater, it may be necessary to manually operate the vents. In case of stubborn dirt, you can proceed with a second treatment with Easy Pink. Leave it to act for a few minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Once the washing is finished, it is possible to sanitize the unit using Easy Sept. The product must be appropriately diluted following the instructions on the label. Then apply Easy Sept and finally rinse thoroughly. Before cleaning the external plastics, dry excess water using Defendo. It is now possible to remove the cover by first unlocking the two hinges, and then removing the hooks that secure the sheet to the air conditioning unit. To clean plastics, apply Easy Green directly to the surface and dry with Defendo without the need for rinsing. Finally, reassemble the carefully cleaned filters. The unit is now ready to be turned back on. To clean the wall-mounted air conditioning unit, first remove any baffles, accessories or furniture from the wall where the unit is installed. Open or remove the filter cover and remove them to clean them. We recommend protecting the wall with special masking tape, applying it as shown in the images. Now proceed to install the protective sheet on the unit. Open the sheet and completely cover the unit, taking care that the elastic bellows is on the operator's side and that the drainage is at the bottom, centered with respect to the unit. Tighten the cord, making sure that the sheet completely covers the unit and that it is adequately tensioned. Then connect the supplied drain hose to the fitting in the center of the sheet. And insert the other end into a special container for collecting dirty water. From now on, it is recommended to wear protective gloves when using chemical products. Then assemble the Stormy pressure washer. Also in this case, we recommend using only the angled nozzle. Select the desired pressure. Low pressure is recommended. If the unit is particularly dirty, perform a pre-wash with water only. Then apply the Easy Green detergent on the battery and internal plastics. Then rinse the unit again to remove dirt. In case of stubborn dirt, proceed with a second treatment with Easy Pink. Clean the fan with particular care. Even if not easily accessible, it is generally the dirtiest part in this type of unit. When washing is complete, you can disinfect the unit by applying Easy Sept. The product must be appropriately diluted, following the instructions on the label. Then apply Easy Sept and rinse thoroughly with water. Once the various washing phases have been completed, remove the drain hose and then the container. Now proceed to remove the sheet by unlocking the clamp and loosening the cord. To clean external plastics, apply Easy Green directly on all washable parts. Easy Green leaves no streaks. Then dry with Defendo paper. At the end of the wash, it may be useful to insert a sanitizing tablet for the condensation water, which is often a source of bad odors. After adequate cleaning, reapply the previously removed filters and reinstall the previously disassembled parts. Reapply the accessories removed before the cleaning phases. The unit is now clean, sanitized, and ready to use. For cleaning the outdoor unit, it is recommended to set the Stormy pressure washer to high pressure. Once the pressure washer is assembled, proceed with installing the angled nozzle onto the gun. Then start cleaning the battery with water only to mechanically remove some of the dirt. The main effect of the accumulation of dirt on the external unit is to reduce the system's performance, with a consequent increase in consumption. It is therefore important to keep the external battery clean. To wash the external unit, use the Easy Blue product to be applied directly on the battery, as shown in the images. The use of Easy Blue allows you to limit the effects on the environment, since it is an Eco-Label certified product. For subsequent washing operations, it is recommended to install the extension, and therefore the nozzle, on the gun, to be able to comfortably reach all parts of the unit. It is now convenient to remove the front grille of the air conditioner to access the fan and be able to wash the battery more effectively, since it flows in the opposite direction to the air sucked in by the machine. This way you can easily and thoroughly wash the battery. Finally, clean the machine body by applying Easy Blue. Proceed in the same way also on the fan and on the other accessory components forming part of the system. Now thoroughly rinse all the elements on which Easy Blue has been applied. We remind you that the use of Easy Blue allows you to limit the effects on the environment, since it is an Eco-Label certified product. Dry now using the Defendo paper supplied or a simple clean cloth. To complete the operation, reinstall the previously removed grill and perform a quick wash of the same. The unit is now clean and ready to go back into operation.